Winter does this to my hands. For my friends who are like me and don't want to dry out their skin anymore by washing your hands, but still need to wash your hands, then you need to make this Helping Hands Foaming Soap. Let's make this super simple recipe together. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make natural products with natural ingredients that you can use every day. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own natural products. And so we have this amazing little box that can get delivered straight to your door that has the ingredients you need to make this recipe. You can also find the things I'm using at simplyearth.com. I'm grabbing my ingredients from the Simply Earth recipe box. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 foaming hand soap tablet. This makes it so easy to make your own foaming hand soap. I'm going to be using 15 drops of unicorn essential oil blend, 7 drops of energy essential oil blend, 7 drops of amorous essential oil. These oils are really soothing to your skin, which is going to make this Helping Hands Foaming Soap feel really nice. From your home or from simplyearth.com, you're going to want to grab a foaming hand soap dispenser. You can reuse one you already have, or we do have them available on our website. Now you can make an amazing soap with just these ingredients, adding our foaming hand soap tablet essential oils and using some distilled water, but we're gonna jazz it up a little bit with this video with some additional natural ingredients to make it extra soothing for our hands. Our magical ingredients that we're going to add to this recipe are aloe vera and lavender hydrosol. We're going to replace some of the water in this recipe with these ingredients to make it extra soothing. The first thing I'm going to do is add my foaming hand soap tablet to my foaming hand soap dispenser. And it is important that it is a foaming hand soap dispenser, otherwise your soap will come out as a liquid and not as foam. Next, I'm going to add my essential oils, 15 drops of unicorn. I made this blend to go along with my children's book, Aroma the Unicorn. So if you have a son or daughter that loves unicorns, make sure they check out the book. 7 drops amorous. Amorous is a thicker essential oil, so it's going to come out more slowly. I love the way amorous smells. It's got kind of a vanilla aroma to it, so it brings out this kind of sweet smell in our soap. And 7 drops of Simply Earth's Energy Blend. And this blend is naturally cooling. Next, I'm going to be adding lavender hydrosol and aloe vera. If you are not using these ingredients at this point, you would just fill this up with distilled water. Now I'm going to fill the rest of my foaming hand soap dispenser with distilled water. Now all I need to do is let this tablet fizz away and my foaming hand soap is ready. And don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. My hands love the soothing benefits of this soap. And you can make this too. If you love turning natural ingredients into products that you can use every day, then you need to subscribe to the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. It gives you what you need to make your own natural products. I love to see your creations on social media, so be sure to take a picture of your beautiful foaming hand soap and share it with #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. When you share your post, you'll automatically be entered into our monthly $5 gift card drawing. Follow for more natural recipes just like this one.